get pulled over.
Oh, don't worry, you won't get a ticket with us.
Really? Why is that?
I'd like to propose a toast.
Oh, my God.
To new friends.
Yeah, to new friends. All right. So
New friends.
how can you get out of a ticket?
Oh, she's joking.
No, I'm not.
All right.
We're with the FBI.
I'm sorry. Excuse me. Wait a minute. Yeah, sorry, fine. That's good.
Yeah. No, we're field agents. That's how we met.
Isn't that perfect? Yeah. Both.
Hillary and Emily just got back from some kind of hush-hush mission.
Well, that is impressive. It sounds kind of dangerous.
Well, it wasn't. 185. I was just tracking a money laundering scheme.
Oh, so then you do forensic accounting.
Yes. Oh, I'm very impressed, Tommy. You seem to know a little about the FBI.
Yes, I do. But, okay, shall we go?
Oh, wait, sorry, tell me. One more. 170.
Getting better.
Yeah.
Getting better.
Yeah, big benchmark for me, 170.
Let's go, Henry. Henry. 210.
Impressive, right? Well,
210.
250 then down to 170 back to 250.
That's very interesting.